world's most expensive food.
The moment the belly is opened, a massive sack of thousands of black eggs spills out into a stainless steel bowl.
Pouring ice-cold purified water over the black eggs to wash away impurities. Swirling them
gently scooping the remaining eggs out by hand to ensure not a single pearl is left behind. The texture is soft and delicate.
Spreading the wet black eggs onto a paper-lined tray to remove excess water. The eggs look matte black before oiling.
Look at the readout on panel 4.
Levels are nominal. Proceed with the sequence.
Filling large, traditional blue metal tins with the fresh caviar. Pressing the lid down to squeeze out all air.
Opening a large mother tin, the caviar has matured, scooping it into small, expensive glass jars or gold tins. Time-lapse of the truck navigating through busy city traffic at night. City lights streaking like neon lines. The truck arrives at a supermarket unloading bay.
Pouring bubbly champagne into a flute glass next to the caviar tin. The bubbles rising match the round shape of the eggs.